don't know if the microphone actually works, but I've got the mic adapter for the Hero 6. It came today, so I've just swapped positions of the camera. Saw a lot of stuff online after I bought the Hero 6. They're an expensive camera, right? So I watched some, it still hits my thing. So I watched some reviews, right? And people were saying it's not worth buying, it's got a worse battery than the 5. I've never had a Hero 5 though. But my battery life on the Hero 6 is better than the Hero 4. So, you know, I can't complain at that. The battery life is technically better than what I have, unless it was just one of my 5 Hero 4 batteries is worse than the one Hero 6 one that I have. But I like the fact it's got video stabilization. In my other video with dual views you can really see it, but it's down on the little screen. So today the video of the Hero 6 will be on the big screen, and the front camera, if I use it, will be on the little screen. Bearing in mind that's if the microphone works, if not I won't have any video. I saw people complaining about the framing or, well, blurring of pixels on the Hero 6. Now I did get some of that from after editing. When I rendered the video and kept it, I had to render it in full 1080p, not for YouTube sort of thing, otherwise I'd just go from my editor straight onto YouTube. So yeah, I would do my editing in my editor and upload it straight onto YouTube from the editor and the YouTube whatever preset setting for YouTube. But you know, I've got no gripes with the camera yet. Bearing in mind, as long as this microphone works in here, I didn't buy a new mic, just an adapter, and as long as the audio is actually decent, because a lot of people have complained about the audio on the Hero 6, saying it's crap. And yes, when it was on the front of the bike it had all sorts of like digital sounding distortion from the wind, so I don't know what it was, maybe because I was going fast in the wind, you know, but it did have some digital sounding sort of muffled sounds to it. But we'll see how it comes out with an actual microphone plugged into it today, so that'll be nice to see. But yeah, one thing I did like with the Hero 6, like I said, was the video stabilization. I thought that was really cool, because you don't have to go out and buy a proper gimbal. I know it's not the same as a gimbal, because you know, it's just digital stabilization, but it's a nice touch to a camera. And on the videos and stuff of people reviewing the two cameras saying the 6 isn't worth it, the bloke said compare video stabilization. Now the 5 looked janky as anything, it was wobbling all over the show, but the 6, it looked decent, it looked better. So no gripes there, can't complain at that. I don't have video stabilization on the 4, so video stabilization on the 6, 100 times better. But anyway, GoPro Hero 6, fuck this mic adapter. Trying to find out where you're gonna put the bastard. Be prepared. I was gonna velcro it to my helmet, but the fucking port for it is on the wrong side, so I can't velcro it to the helmet. So it's just hanging down behind the camera at the minute. So GoPro 6, GoPro 4, which one's got better night mode? It's not quite night time yet, mind you, but the Hero 4 was particularly bad. I couldn't understand it, because I got some videos on my YouTube from the Hero 3 that I had the crash with, the big crash, and it looks brighter than the Hero 4's automatic night mode does. Just can't better not pull back out. Yeah, so it looks brighter than, you know, the Hero 3 looks brighter than the Hero 4. But whether or not the Hero 6 is any good with automatic night mode, I don't know. The street lights are not in yet. We've got headlights and we've got a red flashing light from the GoPro on the front here.
We'll have to go round. There's been an accident, mate.
Well, I can see that.